So if that is corrected, then we might be at a better place of understanding what's going on. But then the other questions that must be asked, and that is the question because eventually, if you look at the other form of taxation, whether it's value-added tax, whether it's the income tax on salaries or on companies and the profits they make, or it's the import duty, whatever other tax that we may talk about, you're taxed based on what you've done, what activity you have engaged in. And that money goes to finance different operations of the government. But now the housing tax is very specific. You see, VAT, you don't pay VAT so that you are funded for VAT, affordable VAT programs. No.
Yeah.
For housing, it is a housing tax to go into affordable housing.
Right.
Meaning this is specific. You can actually trace it. So if you say that it is tricky, so there are certain people that cannot be caught, they're not in the net. So what are you saying? Eventually when they start benefiting, they're also going to benefit as if they started paying from the first date? How does that work? Of course. The Principal Secretary is saying that any person who doesn't pay the levy will not benefit from the housing. That's what he says. It is not in the law. It is nowhere in the law. If the regulations are to come, they might indicate it in the regulations. It will be subjected to public participation. But then again, they might fall into problems because that would be discrimination again against people that cannot afford.